and he can come up with a good recommendation. We can build houses. We can make it fast. Ed can help by, in matter of months, he can build houses for you, for those who are really in need of a new shelter. If it's just a matter of cleaning, then pag wala ho kayong tao, the Philippine Army is ready to do that for you. Wala ho kayong problema. Law and order, well, I think that this is not the time that itong mga, well, you have a problem here actually. Ang Batangas is a sanctuary for big drug personality.